You know what kind of trouble you're in, young man?
No? I haven't done anything. I swear.
Got you. You didn't do anything wrong, kid.
Wait, what? Then why am I here?
Your older brother Sergeant Mike at the East Side Department wanted me to tell you about ways to get cash. He said you were struggling with money lately.
I have been, but I wasn't planning to rob anything or anybody. The thing is, I need $1,000 to pay for next semester at school, and I asked Mike and he doesn't have it.
I know, I talked to Mike. That's why I brought you down here, so we can talk in private. My wife works for San Antonio Car Title Loans. All she needs from you is some basic information and the title of your vehicle. Once she has those things, she will go ahead and appraise your car and give you cash for it.
That sounds awesome. I have a 2009 Honda Civic. I really hope I can get at least $1,000 to pay off next semester.
You should be fine. I'll give you the number to her company. Call them and ask to speak with Linda. Hope you get good grades in school.
Gee, thanks, officer. I will do that now.
Don't be this guy. It is always better to be sooner than later. Get the cash you need. Seriously. Call now or apply online today. Hey! Have you heard of Texas Car Title Loans?
I can't say I have.
If you need cash in just minutes because of unpaid bills or because you're in a financial crisis, call 888-243-2920. They will help you get the cash you need.
All right, thank you.
Let's play some pool.